idea of a metropolis can usually be thought of as like an eclectic landscape of a lot of different kinds of buildings, and this is the energy that we wanted to channel with our design.
My team and I envisioned having a central topography located in the center of the gallery, with which we're able to weave together the uniquely selected designs into a cityscape, reflecting not only the strength in the variety in typologies, but also highlighting the intangible connections drawn between them.
There are residential projects, there are commercial projects, there are social projects, and all of them are unique in their own way. We decided to create a table that responds to each of the different types of projects that we put into it. We wanted to utilize different kinds of fabrication. The tabletop, the models, and even the table legs are all made out of different materials. For the models, we decided to go with 3D printing in order to create a very cohesive appearance. So even though all the models are of different projects and they all have different levels of intensity and detail, they all are made out of the same material and they create a sense of sameness to the viewer. The tabletop, which is made out of plywood, is shaped using a CNC router, which creates a very kind of natural landscape and allows for a certain amount of detail that we might not otherwise have achieved at this scale. Finally, the table legs were created using the laser cutter in the SUTD Fab Lab. Compared to the tabletop and also the models, the table legs can be created a lot faster using this method.
In order to break out the monotonous nature of posters in fixed layouts, we have achieved this through the extraction of key images from them, rearranging them in a mosaic style. Despite this irregularity, posters laid out in this way allows us to distinguish one poster from another, having order amongst the disorder.
ASD is made up of a lot of different types of architects, types of creators, and everyone creates a unique design. We wanted to create a cohesive landscape of all the projects that consolidate what makes ASD so special.